Once the applicable appointment information has been configured in the Select Patient tab, click the Schedule Appointment button to schedule an appointment for the patient. After the Schedule Appointment button has been clicked, you will be transferred to the Schedule Appointment tab. To schedule a recurring appointment for the patient, click the Recurring button. You will be transferred to the Appointment Recurrence dialog, where you are able to configure the parameters for the recurring appointments. The Appointment Options section will default the information entered in the Select Patient screen. You can add or modify the case, provider, resource, schedule type, and/or reason for the recurring appointments as needed. In the Appointment Time section, you can configure the patient's start and/or end time preference, and/or the duration for the appointments in minutes or hours. In the Recurrence Pattern section, you can select when the appointment should recur, daily, weekly, or monthly, and specify the details of that selection. Here we will choose weekly, and the appointment should recur every 1 week on a Thursday. In the Recurrence Range section, you can select the data range for the recurring appointments, or you can select the number of appointments after which the recurrence should end. Here we will select February 1st as the start date, and the recurrence should end after 10 appointments. Once all of the options have been selected, a summary of the options selected will appear at the bottom left. If everything is correct, you can click the Search button. The system will list the applicable appointments in the Appointments to be Scheduled section, along with any conflicts. Any conflicting times will not be checked for scheduling. You can check or uncheck the appointments as needed, and then click the Schedule button. A summary of the appointments being scheduled will appear. Click the OK button to continue. The selected appointments will then be scheduled. Any appointments not selected will appear on the Remaining Dates to Schedule section in the Schedule Appointment screen. You can schedule these appointments as needed by highlighting the applicable appointment in this section, highlighting the applicable time slot or slots, and then clicking the Schedule button. Do note, however, when you schedule these appointments from this area, they will no longer be associated with the recurring appointment group. When finished, you can click the Select Patient button.